Making money with e-commerce involves selling products online through platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, or Etsy. Here's how to start and scale a profitable e-commerce business. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on high-demand, low-competition products such as fashion, electronics, beauty, or home decor. Use tools like Google Trends, Jungle Scout, or eCom Hunt to find trending items. Set up your online store. Create a store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce with an easy-to-navigate design. Optimize product listings with high-quality images, SEO-friendly descriptions, and competitive pricing. Source products and manage inventory. Use dropshipping or buy in bulk from wholesalers. Print-on-demand services allow selling custom designs with no inventory. Drive traffic and sales. Run Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to attract customers. Use SEO, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to grow sales. Automate and scale. Automate customer service with AI chatbots. Expand globally by offering multi-currency payment options.